In our school, we value gender equality. We believe that everyone deserves the same rights, regardless of their gender. Protuguese school it gives the same opportunities and always gives us the freedom to choose our own path. And always fights to show the world that regardless of our gender, the way we dress, our culture and beliefs, we can be successful. And if you want to, and all it depends on us.
Our country, as well as our school, Protuguese Secondary School, promotes freedom, gives students a voice by listening to their thoughts, ideas and opinions on a variety of subjects. Thus, we are part and we feel included.
Everyone deserves the same opportunities, whether poor, rich, male or female. In the Future Me project, we're open for everyone equally, being this one of the main pillars of ESPN, our school. In Portugal, we get this right on 25 April 1974, the Liberty Day, where we put an end to a dictatorial era, ushering in an era of social balance.
Our school, also very Protuguese, promotes the non-violence, and it allows that the students reflect the situations of violence so that no one does it.
In this project, we learned a lot of things that we will carry with us in our lives. We have learned a lot of techniques and many digital tools that save our lives. In our opinion, learning is the most important thing in groups.
Working together always makes it easy to solve problems with cooperation and respect, and knowing how to listen to other people's opinions and ideas. It improves our critical thinking and active learning. To conclude, participating in this project has brought us many advantages, so if you have the opportunity, don't miss it.
Our school promotes active learning so that the students can learn and have fun too.
Η δεύτερη χρονιά του BePart τελειώνει. Εσείς τι αποκομίσετε από την εμπειρία?
Γνώρισα κόσμο από άλλη χώρα και μου άρεσε το BePart.
Κατάφερα να κοινωνικοποιηθώ, να κάνω νέους φίλους και επίσης έμαθα να συζητάω για τα θέματα που με αφορούν και να λέω τη γνώμη μου χωρίς να αισθάνομαι ότι με κατακρίνουν.
Μου άρεσε που μιλούσαμε για θέματα που πολλούς από εμάς απασχολούσαν, όπως ενδοσχολική βία και ισότητα των φύλων.
Μέσω βιωματικών εργαστηρίων που πραγματοποιήθηκαν σε όλο το σχολείο, αναπτύχθηκε η δυνατότητα λήψης αποφάσεων και κοινωνικοποιηθήκαμε με άλλα παιδιά από άλλες χώρες.
Μέσω του BePart καταφέραμε να δούμε απόψεις άλλων παιδιών και να βελτιώσουμε διάφορες ικανότητές μας, όπως η λήψη αποφάσεων και οι κοινωνικές μας δεξιότητες.